Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Talk, and today we are going to unbox the Google Home Mini. This is the more affordable Google Home device, and it is very interesting that this device is directly going to compete with Amazon Echo Dot. The Home Mini has been priced for 4,450 online and offline, and I bought this during the Flipkart sale for 3,000. So let's go ahead and check if this is worth the money. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Press the bell icon for more video notification. So this is the Google Home Mini box. Let me go ahead and unwrap the plastic and check what we get inside the box. Inside the box we get the Google Home Mini. So the Google Home Mini has a nice texture feeling and it also comes in black color. Let me keep this device aside and let's check what more we get inside the box. We get some booklets. I'll keep them aside, and we get power adapter. This is a micro USB power adapter. Here is a closer look of the power adapter. And that's all inside the box. Here is a closer look of the Home Mini. We get micro USB port. Then we have mute switch. This is to mute the microphone. Let me go ahead and power on this device. Here are the startup lights. The volume controls are touch based. Tapping on the left will decrease the volume and tapping on the right will increase the volume. So the device is powered on, and in order to proceed further, I need to complete the setup process. For that, I'll need to download a Google Home application on my device. I will complete the setup process quickly. In the meantime, I will give you the device specification. The speaker is touted to deliver a 360-degree sound and bears a 40mm driver. Its mic supports far-field voice recognition. For connectivity, it offers dual band Wi-Fi as well as 4.1 Bluetooth. So we are checking for an update. Yes, there is a new update and it is installing the new update. Now the setup process is completed. Let's go ahead and ask some questions. Okay Google, what's the time?
8:41.
Okay Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
Okay Google, how's the weather today?
In Pune today, it's predicted to be 29 and clear. Currently, it's 31 and clear.
Okay Google, navigate me to JM Road.
I've sent the directions to your phone.
Okay Google, stop. Okay Google, what's 256 multiplied by 3000?
256x 3000 is 768,000.
Okay Google, call home.
Sorry, I can't make calls yet.
Okay Google, what's new?
Just searching for answers to life's big and small questions. What can I help you with?
Okay Google, increase the volume max. Okay Google, what's latest news?
Here's the latest news. From Aaj Tak at 7 p.m. today.
सत्ता की चाबी के लिए कर्नाटक में जोरदार नाटक, राज्यपाल पर दबाव बनाने के लिए कांग्रेस जेडीएस विधायकों की परेड, राजभवन के बाहर पीएम।
Stop. Okay, Google. Play some party music.
Alright, here's some songs. I'm afraid something went wrong. When you're ready, give it another try.
Okay, Google. How far is the moon?
The moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Okay, Google. Tell me ratings for Avengers Infinity War.
Avengers Infinity War scored 84% on Rotten Tomatoes.
Okay, Google. What you can do?
Here are some suggestions. You can say, add shower gel and dog food to my shopping list. Or tell me cryptocurrency news. Do you want a couple more ideas?
I have downloaded an application to measure the speaker output.
Alright, Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Playing on Ghana.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then
Okay,
we
Google.
start to dance. And
Stop. That's all for the unboxing. Soon I will go and compare the Echo Dot with Google Home Mini. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.